Whew, I dropped $2,500. $2,500 on this Hypebeast mystery box. Yo guys, I'm Danny Moore, back with a brand new video. In this video, we're going to open some Hypebeast mystery boxes that I purchased. I am so excited, and cannot wait to open these boxes. Woo, they've been sitting here for quite a while, and I cannot wait to see what we have inside. These boxes cost me so much money. It was crazy. Such a hard time spending all that money and not knowing, you know, exactly what you're gonna get. Some crazy fire, hopefully, pray is in this box, because if not, your boy got scammed. And that's not gonna be fun. That's not gonna be fun to get my money back. Whew, I dropped $2,500. $2,500 on this Hypebeast mystery box. Woo! That's a lot of money to be spending at one time. That is a shit ton. So we're going to take a look and see what I purchased. 2 boxes came in this delivery, but before we open up the boxes, I got to announce the giveaway for you guys. So, when I hit 4,000 subscribers, we're very, very close. I'm giving away this right here, the Supreme Permanent Marker in black, brand new in packaging. And I'm going to give away a bunch of Supreme box logo stickers. So if you guys want to win a Supreme box logo sticker or the marker, all you need to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to this YouTube channel, drop your Instagram down below in the comment section, smash that like button on this video, and be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Those links are down below in the description. My @ is also popping up on screen. Make sure you go ahead, give your boy a follow. I'm always posting fire-ass pictures on the gram. Alright, enough of the giveaway stuff. So let's take a look. And let's see if I got scammed or not. Hopefully not. Woo! $2,500 down the drain. Let's see. Hopefully, I can get my money back at least. If not, make money. Oh boy. The seller said Yeezys only, and that's why it was so much money. Woo! I'm very, very nervous. Alright, let's get into this. So, we got 2 boxes. Here's one. Let's go ahead and start opening this up. Let's take my Supreme knife. That's on my keys here. And let's go ahead and open this up. Alright. Let's take a look what's in these boxes. So I'm going to cut this open. Okay. Alright. Let's see. I see Yeezys. So that's a good sign. Let me just show you guys. Tape came off on me. Alright. So we got some Yeezys. A very, very good start. At least there's 2 boxes that showed up. At least there wasn't one box, you know, with 2 pairs. There seems to be 2 pairs in here. So at least 2 boxes showed up, so that's good news. Hopefully no trolling, none of that. I know it's gonna be funny if there is trolling, but hopefully not. Alright. Woo! Let's see if I got my $2,500 worth on these boxes. I'm also going to keep a tally for you guys. I guess, you know, I'll throw at the top of my head right now, and then later when I'm editing, I guess I'll just go on StockX and take a look at the prices. Tally it all up. Let's see. Hopefully, I can make money, or at least get my money back. If not, it is what it is. Alright, let's get into this. Alright, so we got the first one. It's a 350 box. So let's hope Yeezys are actually in here. And the other box is also a 350. Put that to the side for now. Let's take a look at this one. I'm not going to look at it. I'm going to give you guys, let you guys look first. Let me know. Is it good? Alright, let's see. Alright, it's a 10.5. I looked at the size, so it's a 10.5. Okay. Very good start to the box, because these are actually worth some money. Alright, let's make sure they're real, because that's... Is this a receipt? What? Looks to be like a receipt, a Foot Locker receipt. Yeah, wow. So we got the Foot Locker receipt, and yeah, it matches up. 350 V2, yeah, 220. Alright, so they paid $239.53. Okay. And here they are. The first pair. Here's the other shoe. These are the coppers. Let's make sure they're real. They appear to be dead stock, so that's a good start. A very, very good start. That's exciting to see. Dead stock. Let's make sure they're real, because if they're fake. Boost looks good. Prime knit feels good. Take a look underneath the insole. Alright, these are looking very, very good. Woo! What a great start to the box, to be honest. I'm going to toss up a number. I'm not really sure what these go for anymore. Dead stock at a 10.5. I know these definitely dropped in price, then they went up. Now, I don't really know. I'm going to guess and say that these are around... They have to be 600. I don't think... For a dead stock pair, they have to be 550, 600. I'm going to value them at 600 for now. And I guess I'll, like I said, I'll tally up. Keep the total on screen. But yes, 600 so far. These are dead stock. Let's move on. Very, very excited to have these. Pretty dope. Guys, I am going to be selling a lot of this stuff because, like I said, I want to keep doing these videos. And these videos are expensive to do. You know, these mystery boxes are crazy expensive. So I'm going to be wind up selling, you know, a lot just to make the money back to continue making the videos for you guys. Alright, so that's a good start. A very, very good start. I'm going to put this here. Got another box here. Very good start so far. So we have another about, I would say, 1,900 to go. Yikes. Alright, we have another 350. I'm going to let you guys peep it again. Size 11. Okay. Whew. So at least so far, both pairs are my size. That's a good thing. But I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to keep anything. I don't really want to. I want to keep making these videos for you guys. So, let's take a look. Come on, please be good. Please be good. Oh my, mama mia. I hope these are real. And dead stock. Guys, oh my god. This right here is what started the V2. Because this right here is the first pair of Yeezy 350 Boost V2s. Right here. Let's make sure that these are real. Is this another receipt? What? Another receipt? This one from Foot Action. 350 V2. 240, 255. So the total's a little different. Okay. From Foot Action. So that's some good news there. Nice receipt for the receipt police out there. Woo! Let's make sure these are dead stock. I hope they are. They appear to be. They appear to be brand new. Dead stock. And I'm going to say that they are. Because they definitely are. They don't look worn at all. They look, honestly, they don't even look tried on. Which is crazy. That the person was able to hold on to these that long and not even try them on. Size 11, yeah. Alright, and with the tag and everything. Wow. Woo! Great start with the first box. I'm mind blown. Wow, I might actually get my money back, hopefully. That is the goal. Woof. Alright, price-wise, I don't know. I know that, you know, when they first came out, they were high, then they dropped, and then they went back up again. That's what seems to be a trend with Yeezys. These are dead stock, size 11. I don't know. I want to say 7, maybe 800? I don't know. Did these go up or down? Because I've seen worn pairs for like $400 or $500. So a dead stock pair has to be at least $200 more, right? Usually. I mean, it fluctuates. I don't know. Scratch my head because I really don't know. I'm going to value these at 7. I'm going to say 7. Let's be safe and say 7. They might be more. I don't think they're less, but they might be more. But we'll have to take a look and see. But yes, these are the Beluga 1.0. And these are dead stock. So that's awesome. Awesome. Let's put these away. And let's continue on with the other box. Because this other box is bigger. And hopefully has some more heat in it. So here's the next box. As you guys can see, this box is much bigger. Like double the size of the other box. So hopefully we got more heat in here. Because so far it's been a very, very good unboxing. But we're starting up to $2,500. We got to hit that $2,500 mark. Let's get into this. Once again, opening this up to show you guys here. We got the Supreme knife on deck. Alright, let's get in here. Let's see. Whew. Alright. Okay. I'm liking this. I'm liking this a lot. I'll just show you guys. We got some Yeezys in there. We definitely got some Yeezys. It pairs to be 1, 2, 3 more pairs. Okay, we need to add up 7 plus 6 is 13. We need another $1,200 out of these 3 pairs. So roughly, if you average it, $400 a pair. Woo! Alright, we got some 350s. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go take a look. The first one here. Oh boy. Put this box down because it's heavy. That's a heavy box. Alright. Let's take a look. Let you guys see. Size 10. 10. I can fit a 10, but it's really, really tight. I'd much prefer a 10.5 or an 11 is my real size. 10 on 350s, I'd rather just not have it, to be honest. I'd rather have the 10.5 or 11. Whew. Alright, anyway, let's see what we got here. Pull this out. Oh my god. The zebras. The zebras. The zebras. Okay, so these are the zebras. These are actually coming back out for the 3rd time now, which is crazy. But yes, the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Zebra. And these are dead stock as well. Is everything dead stock in this whole thing? He didn't tell me that. He said it was just going to be worn and dead stock. He told me both. I don't know. So far everything's DS, but that's pretty cool. But yes, right here we have the zebras. These are brand new. Awesome. Size 10. These are coming back out on the 9th, just a few days away. Damn. If I got this box, you know, last year, I would say that these are like $500, 600. Now, because they're coming back out, I don't know. I think they're gonna sit. If they do sell out, they'll have a tiny bit of resale, nothing crazy. Right now, StockX has them. Last time I checked, it was like $320-ish, depending on size. I'm gonna value these at 3 right now, $300. I don't want to go over that. I feel like, yeah, I definitely don't want to give it more, and I don't really want to give it less. I'm gonna value this at 300 for now. It might go up, it might go down. I mean, I think it's gonna go down after release. So maybe I'll just hold on to them for now, or I'll just try to get rid of them ASAP. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get rid of them ASAP. Maybe I can just cash out that $300 and that's it. Because like I said, I don't want to hold on to them because they come back out, and resale's just gonna plummet. They are brand new with tags, so that's really dope. All right, cool. So I'm gonna value these at 300. All right. Next up, we got two more in this box. Hopefully, we need another 300. That's 13. We need this $900. All right. Let's take a look. 10.5. 10.5. Alright, this is gonna be hopefully good. Oh no. These are not $450. These are basically retail. These are retail. Alright, so these are the cream white 350 V2s. Everyone and their mother now owns this sneaker. They don't go for anything really more than retail. Clean shoe. I own them already. I've beaten up my pair. Yeah, these are dead stock, so that's pretty cool. But retail, I can't even give it more. I'm not gonna give it less than retail. You know, I'm not gonna go under retail on them, but I gotta do retail. Retail, tax, shipping. That's basically what they go for. Even minus tax, to be honest. Alright, I'm gonna value these at $220. I can't really value them more. I don't think it's worth it. Not with this pair. They've released way too many pairs. That restock last month was absolutely insane. So, yeah, I'm gonna give these $220. They're brand new, so that's good. If they were worn, forget about it. I'd say like under retail, way under retail. But they're dead stock, so I'm gonna give it retail. They look to be tried on a little bit, which isn't a big deal, because I'm saying that because the laces are out like that. And I don't know, they look kind of like spaced out in a way. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna give these retail. Good shoe, just too many pairs, and resell does not exist on these. So before we get into this last box, we have to just recap and see how much money we're really at. Like I said, this is a lot of money. So far, I know it's a loss. I'm just trying to think off the top of my head, you know, my prices off the top of my head, how much I'm really at. Of course, this will fluctuate compared to really StockX, what they actually sell for. Just off the top of my head right now, so we have 6, 7 is 1,300, and then we have another 300 for the zebras is 16, and then retail on the creams is 18.20. Round it, just make it 18. We need $700, and we have one pair. Oh boy. And it's a pair of 350s. This $700, I don't know. I'm gonna have to say this is a loss. We'll have to take a look right now and see. I hope not. This shoe has to be worth 700. I don't know if it's gonna be. It's a 10.5. Hopefully it's around 700. If not, it sucks. It is what it is. Try to get as much money as I can off of these, and try to buy another box to give you guys another video like this. So, let's see. Nah, we didn't get the 700. Damn. Alright. We got another Yeezy. And these are the Beluga 2.0s. Boom. The Beluga 2.0. They're dead stock. So, at least every shoe is DS. That makes it easier to sell. That's for damn sure. You know, worn shoes are a little bit harder to sell, I think, than DS. I just think most people prefer a brand new shoe compared to a worn shoe. So, I think them being dead stock makes it a little bit easier. Plus, you get more money. Yeah, they're real. I mean, all the Yeezys are real. So, that's definitely a bonus. Obviously, you know, we don't want to get scammed. But, brand new with tag. Alright, we didn't get the 700. These, I'm going to have to say probably 350. I'm going to say 350 on them. 350. So we're really, off the top of my head right now, we're about $350 short. Oh, that sucks. Maybe I'm wrong. We'll have to take a look and see as I'm editing this. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Did I really take a loss? Did I win? Leave a comment down below, let me know. But yes, these right here are the Beluga 2.0s. Fresh shoe, really clean. But we didn't get our money back. Alright guys, that was everything in these Hypebeast mystery boxes. I spent $2,500 on these Hypebeast mystery boxes. Yeezys only. We got some fire Yeezys, only 350s, which was kind of crazy. Wow, only 350s. 350s, you know, my favorite out of the Yeezy line, so I can't really complain. But we didn't get our money back, which absolutely sucks. Hopefully this video does, you know, decent, does well. I know I'll get the money back one day, somehow, but, you know, it is what it is. I'm not going to sit on any of these. I'm just going to go ahead and sell them all. If I sat on them, maybe I'd get the 350 back. I feel like I would. On certain pairs would definitely skyrocket in price. Maybe. These definitely not, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button for me taking a loss. Taking an L. That sucks. Anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, make sure you guys subscribe and enter the giveaway, because when I hit 4,000 subscribers, I'm giving away this right here, Supreme marker, and a bunch of Supreme box logo stickers. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, once again, just be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, comment your Instagram down below in the comment section, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and that is it. You're entered. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.